Greetings everyone. I am Lyster Jamila from BACS2A, and in this video I am going to discuss my wireframe project in Object-Oriented Programming 2, which is the FoodBookList application. Introduction. FoodBookList is a recipe app designed for your delicate life, where you can find the recipes you need quickly. High-quality food images on the food page will surely catch your eyes. The procedures of this food are with reach. It is an app that you surely like. Objectives: a short guide for your convenience to learn new recipes from cooking all over the world. A reason to love from cooking. So this is the flow of my wireframe project using a low fidelity design. The first box here is the create account, and in this box it has a create account button. Just click the create account button to start. Next is the sign in. In this box we have text-filled buttons to input your name, your phone number or your email address, and your password. We also have a sign-in button. Next, this is the first page of the app look like. It has a profile icon, search icon, menu bar, food button, book button, and list button. Next box is the profile. By clicking the profile icon to the first page of the app, we will see the user's profile and the other buttons on it. Next is the menu bar. If you are going to click the menu bar from the first page of the app, we will see the other buttons from there. Next is the food button. By clicking the food button, we will see different nationality option. There, we can select our preferred nationality option and see many photos of their food and different menus that corresponds to our desired food to prepare. Next is the book button. This book button has different cooking tutorial videos from your chosen nationality that corresponds to the food and menus. Next is the list button. In the list button, we have the recipe button and procedure button to select. The recipe button will show the pictures of ingredients to the menu you choose from the food button. For instance, you choose Korean food from food button. The book button and list button will also correspond to the videos and recipe photos that you have selected. In procedure buttons, this button has many different videos that guides for the cooking procedure and preparation. To discuss further about the wireframe, let's go to the next slide. Here we have the create account. In creating an account, a user must click the create account button to start. It is very important for the user to create an account in order to use the application. A user account is a location on a network server used to store a computer username, password, and other information. Next is the sign in. There are text fields to input your name, your email address, or your phone number, and the password. To input the password, it must include at least 8 characters, a number, an uppercase letter, and a symbol to meet the requirements. After the inputs, just click the sign in button. If you signed in successfully, you will get a notification from your phone number or email address you have associated with as your option. Next is the first page. So this is how the food book list application looks like. It is a prototype of profile account button, search icon, menu bar, food button, book button, and list button. Next, if you click the profile icon, you will see buttons for message, photos, download, friends, and post. Next is the menu bar. In menu bar, there are buttons for language, settings, dark mode, saved, about app, privacy policy, help and support, and the layout. Next is the food button. If you click the food button from the first page of the app, different nationality option will be displayed. And if you click your chosen nationality button, all types of food and menu photos will appear. Next is the book button. In this button, all amazing cooking videos will be shown that corresponds to the nationality option button that you have selected. Next is the list button. By clicking the list button, you will see two buttons at the center, the recipe button and the procedure button. The recipe button is a photo of the ingredients that corresponds to the food and menu of your chosen nationality option button. And the procedure button is a cooking video guides for cooking procedure that also corresponds to the nationality option button that you have selected. And that's the end of the slide. God bless us all and happy cooking.